The 2014 Dodge Charger SRT. A few significant updates mark out the 2014 Dodge Charger SRT, but boy are they hard to find in this old-looking package. An active air intake and modified lifters join new adaptive dampers and finally some wheel-mounted paddles for the aging AutoStick transmission. The 6.4-liter HEMI V-8 now brings around 470 count for both horsepower and torque, with a new SRT badge to replace the previous SRT8 labels. This change extends across the entire Chrysler lineup for 2014, where the SRT Grand Cherokee is the first to use a high-torque version of the company's new ZF transmission. The Charger SRT carries on with the older 5-speed automatic, which is one of the only automatic transmissions from any automaker that can send nearly 500 horsepower to just the back wheels. Worth remembering is that this exact automatic is also a fixture on the SL65 AMG and a few other torque monsters, despite lacking a few gear ratios versus Mercedes' new 9-speed auto. Active cruise control and a few other safety innovations join the Charger SRT for 2014, as does the Super B package in a variety of yellow or non-yellow colors. The Super B lacks much of the style and tech available on the SRT Premium, which is now a de facto 392 core with available xenon lights and active mufflers that are not offered on the Super B. Are paddle shifters and the active intake enough to keep the Charger SRT fighting fit versus the Taurus SHO and the forthcoming Chevrolet SS? Click past the jump for more info on the 2014 Dodge Charger SRT, with info on all its tech and performance updates. Exterior. The Charger SRT's nose is still one of the most feared road graphics anywhere on the highway. The Charger has been a runaway success with law enforcement, with high penetration on state highway patrols, especially where high-speed pursuits are a possibility on a daily basis. Seeing this nose can elevate the heart rate from 2 miles out, and this aspect of the Charger is still one of its more current. The xenon lights upgrade is a well worth it on the SRT Premium, because it better matches the still striking LED racetrack brake lights. In profile, the Charger really shows its age. This is still a long and low sedan, with a huge wheelbase and great proportions. It feels the freshest of the 300C SRT and Challenger SRT options, but all three are feeling quite ripe nowadays. 2014 Dodge Charger SRT exterior options. 392 Special Edition Group includes glass black painted roof and power bulge, pitch black. Rear spoiler, mirrors, matte black SRT lower body side stripe, black vapor chrome wheels, 392. Gray, black badge and engine cover and serialized dash plaque. Interior. The interior of the 2014 model brings more of the latest tech and comfort goodies from across the rest of the Chrysler lineup. While many of these items joined the price lists in 2012, the broader rollout now makes them standard equipment on the Charger SRT. It is all about climate control with the new comfort features inside the Charger, including heated and cooled cup holders and seats, and a heated steering wheel. LED mood lighting is a nice touch, and the active dampers and transmission settings are a welcome way to change the Charger's temperament. It is all pretty swanky with the largest Uconnect Systems SRT performance pages, which are outlined below. Worth noting is that the upgraded leather and active safety tech is only offered on the SRT Premium, while the Super B has its own less advanced audio system upgrades available. 2014 Dodge Charger SRT interior updates. 2-mode active dampening suspension, sport mode for the transmission, adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, remote USB port, satellite traffic remote, gas cap release, black, red interior, dual zone humidity sensing, automatic climate control, heated steering wheel, heated front and rear seats, air filter, LED interior lighting, ventilated front seats, heated, cooled front cup holders. 2014 Dodge Charger SRT performance displays demo. SRT's new performance pages offer extra information on how the SRT is handling in extreme conditions, like a track day. Various lap timers, G-force meters, and additional dials offer some of the cool factor of the Nissan GT-R and Porsche Sport Chrono package to the Super Jeep via its giant 8.4-inch touchscreen display. SRT Super B option groups. Premium Audio Group 2 includes 6 premium speakers, 276-watt amplifier and Sirius XM radio. Convenience Group 2 includes automatic dual-zone temperature control, remote start, HomeLink universal transmitter and ParkSense rear park assist. SRT Premium Option Groups. Driver Confidence Group includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross path detection, approach lamps, park view rear backup camera, rain sensing wipers and smart beam headlights. Adaptive Cruise Group includes adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning. Laguna Premium Leather Package, high-performance Laguna full leather seats, Laguna leather-wrapped door and console armrests, sepia, black drivetrain, suspension and brakes. Performance is unchanged for this year, despite a few extra pound-feet of torque and the electronically controlled intake. This new active intake is shared with a few of the highest power Ram HD models, and works well to increase both intake snort and low rev power. The system acts like the front breather for the active exhausts out back, as servos actuate a change in intake volume potential between closed for cruising and wide open for max attack. The system works in harmony with the Dodge's cylinder-on-demand system, cutting the V8 down to a 4-banger under light loads or waiting at stoplights. This is still no green machine, with the EPA rating the 2014 SRT Charger at 14 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. 2014 Dodge Charger SRT performance details. Safety. The safety of the 2014 Charger is greatly enhanced by the newly optional active safety technology. Split into 2 packages, both are helpful additions to road safety. Driver Confidence Group includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross path detection, approach lamps, park view rear backup camera, rain sensing wipers and smart beam headlights. Adaptive Cruise Group includes adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning. 2014 Dodge Charger SRT safety features. Adaptive Cruise Control, advanced multi-stage front airbags, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-path detection, child seat anchor system with child seat upper tether anchor, electronic stability control (ESC) with brake assist, enhanced accident response, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, forward collision warning, 4-wheel traction control, hill start assist (HSA), illuminated entry, glove box lamp and LED lighting, ParkSense front and rear park assist system, power front windows with one-touch up, down and power locks, rain brake support, ready alert braking, remote proximity, keyless entry, remote start system, security alarm, supplemental front seat side airbag, supplemental side curtain, front rear airbags, tire pressure monitoring (TPM), display. Pricing and availability. Pricing is not yet available from Dodge, but a modest bump is expected for the new model year. Previous base prices started from $45,250. The pricing for all SRT models now includes a track day, which is a fun treat. SRT Track Experience includes a one-day driving experience designed for SRT owners and performance enthusiasts to maximize their driving knowledge and skills on the street or track. All SRT owners and enthusiasts are eligible to participate in this day-long event held at selected tracks throughout the summer season. Competition. Ford Taurus Show. If the Charger SRT is more like a rear-drive BMW in its tail-out potential, the Taurus Show is much more like an AWD Audi. Both are rapid on the road and in all traffic, but the Taurus Show suffers from its high roof both in style and also handling poise. The AWD Taurus Show is much more prone to understeer, and is also about a second behind the Charger SRT to 60 miles per hour. They are priced similarly. Chevrolet SS. The regurgitated G8, aka the Chevrolet SS, is all new to the US in 2014 and features a heart-pumping 415 ponies and 415 pound-feet from its 6.2-liter 8-pot. Sure, it is nowhere near as powerful as the Charger SRT, but it is more modern-looking, sleeker and better balanced than the aging Dodge. Chances are, however, that the SS will not have a big enough draw to make even a fraction of the dent in American car history that the Charger has, unless Chevy adds some ponies to that V8 in a higher trim level. Conclusion. The Charger SRT is still a rare gem, a rear-drive American sedan with a sophisticated chassis and a monster V8 engine. As recently as 15 years ago, stats like the Charger SRT's 4.6-second sprint to 60 miles per hour and estimated 175 miles per hour top speed were pure fantasy. In a world filled with Dodge Intrepids, a return to form of that scale looked totally impossible for Dodge. The impossible is real, and is easily one of the best full-size American hot rods ever made. A big back seat and enhanced safety technology are extra incentives to pull the trigger on this dream machine. The Charger SRT is a wonderful beast with charms and tail-out torque to make any car guy fall for this Charger, the only one with the chops and a restricted top speed to outrun any other American sedan ever, including the Charger Pursuit models favored by the Highway Patrol. Love it. Big torque means this thing would be fun even with a 3-speed automatic rear-drive. Action is always a toe tip away. New active intake and sport modes for transmission are cool additions. Leave it. Seems like the Super B makes a lot of sacrifices, including the active exhaust from the SRT Premium bland and unsophisticated interior for $45,000. The body style has hit the wall harder than Wile E. Coyote chasing Road Runner through a painted tunnel.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.